Good day. I am Mary J. Baksal, President of the Primer Garments Workers Union, operating at Primer Apparel Manufacturing Corporation. This is our official union logo. The needle and thread represents the garment industry where our members work. The raised fist symbolizes unity and solidarity among workers, while the shield stands for the protection of workers' rights and welfare. The color blue, red, and gold represent stability, strength, and dignity. Established in 2026, it marks the year when workers united to form one strong organization. Today, we address unfair labor practice. When employers interfere with union formation, discriminate against union members, or refuse to bargain collectively, they violate workers' rights under the Labor Code of the Philippines. My fellow members, we must remain united and continue defending our rights against intimidation and injustice in the workplace. Together, we are stronger. Together, we protect our future. Long live the Primeware Garments Workers Union.